Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use your Hemisphere S631 to record an NMEA log. So this is a useful tool if you ever need to do diagnostics with your receiver or you're looking for just a straight NMEA string out of the receiver that you want to use later on. So what I have done before the video started is I connected to my Hemisphere S631 on its internal Wi-Fi network, and you can just do that by using your network searcher to search for a device with the same name as the serial number on the bottom of your receiver. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to head to the URL address for the S631 web UI, which is 192.168.10.1. It's going to prompt me for a username and password. In this case, my username is admin and my password is S631, all lowercase. And after I enter that, I'm going to hit sign in here to get inside the web UI. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to my settings option here in the top right corner. And I'm going to choose from my three tabs here. I'm going to choose NMEA log, and under NMEA log, I'm going to make sure yes is selected, and I'm going to hit save. And that is going to begin my NMEA log. And under my download tab, you can see I have a file here that is a .NMEA, and that is the file that denotes my NMEA log, which I can then download and do whatever I so please later on. And that is everything for today's video. That is how you record an NMEA log with the Hemisphere S631. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help out. It helps me keep making these videos for you guys. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, whether that be about the Hemisphere S631 or something you saw on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.